as cool as the JDM fogs are. Oh look, it's Kitty. I prefer the look of the fog light covers. So I got these all painted up today, and you know what that means? Ciao Kitty, move your big head. It's time to put the decals on. Dude, I just ordered some paint from Touch Up Direct, and it came out perfectly color matched to my car. Surprisingly, worked out very well. Got those sprayed, got them cleared, and now we just gotta stick the decals on, which I'm ready for. Kitty, apparently you're ready for it too, because you keep putting your big head in my way, boy. Alright boys, let me show you what's on the menu for today. Boom! Beat up JDM STI lip. It's cool, it's pretty, it's nice, right? But for my build, this is what I want. OEM piece. I like the USDM front end over the JDM front end, I can't lie. So I gotta figure out how to get this thing off and put this thing on. Man, it looks pretty straightforward to me. 1 bolt, 2 bolts, and a couple clips on the bottom on each side, and this thing comes right off. Boom! JDM lip. Anyone want to buy JDM lip? Hit me up. I don't need this shit no more. Got clip, 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 and clip, right? Peep this shit though. The problem is, whenever they put that fucking lip on it, somehow all the clips are missing. Well, the holes that the clips need to go into, that's not really a big problem, because it also has holes on the bottom. I don't have clips on the bottom because those are missing as well, but all you gotta do is improvise, baby. Nut and bolt, nut and bolt, nut and bolt, nut and bolt, nut and bolt. And I'm pretty sure it'll be solid. I don't see why not. And before we get this puppy mounted on, let's get this shit cleaned up. Shall we? Here's what I discovered. We have 1 hole right there with the thread, 1 hole right there with the thread, 1 little clip right there that I'm gonna take off, that'll work, and 1 more hole with the thread. Oh, you can't really see camera focus. Like right here, there's 1 more hole with the thread, and if I remember where I put this shit, I just so happen to have hardware that'll fit. So I think we should be okay. Boom, that 1 clip will hold it up. Now we'll just finish bolting on the rest of it. Should be good to go. There it is, boys. 1 side down. 1 more to go. Fuck, dude, I really like this look more than the JDM lip, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what it is. Let's get the other one on first, before we get a full-blown look at the car. There is the finished project. I'm done. I'm fucking done. Oh, yeah. Looks so much better if you ask me. Anyone need a JDM lip, I'm telling you, hit me up. I don't need this shit. It's gonna be sitting around until someone wants it. Come buy it. Hit me up. It sounds like I just woke up. I've actually been awake, but I've been laying in bed. We are going to pick up the replacement parts for the parts that got broken in the process of taking off the manifold, which was the evap purge solenoid and the evap purge valve itself. So I'm gonna go to my local Subaru dealership. I ordered them actually the day the day of reckoning happened, and they just came in the day. The dealer guy called me this morning. He's like, "Hey, parts are here, brother." I'm like, "Say less, on my way." A nice semi-early start. It's 9:40 a.m. and let's go get some parts from Subaru, shall we? Y'all already know I gotta have my co-pilot with me. Sponsor me, vitamin water, please. Let me show you guys what else I dug out actually too. Which knob do you think I should run? JDM S204 knob or my white STI knob? I forgot what company this is from, but I've had this knob since I've had my hatchback STI, and honestly, this shift knob is one of the best filling shift knobs, if not the best filling shift knob I've ever had in my life. It's nice and weighted, but it's not too heavy, it's not too light. It looks good, it feels good, but this knob is the knob I've always wanted, which is why I've been running it. I'm not sure if I should change it or not. Let me know. Let me know which one I'm gonna do. my people. But the building's gone. They're actually remodeling the whole building. They tore it down to make a new one. Fucking rich. Boom, we have made it to our destination. Temporary service center, temporary parts center. I'm gonna grab my stuff real quick, I'll be back. All right, boys, we are back with the whole bag full of toys. New solenoid, new valve, all new hoses. I'm like, dude, I'm replacing every single hose in that car. Like, I'm running just some hose that I picked up from AutoZone, but I want to run the OEM shit. I'm very OCD about stuff like this. We also got a STI license plate frame for Fizz, because it's for his STI. He wanted one for his, so I'm like, I'll pick it up when I get my stuff. And then I ended up buying stuff I didn't need, like always. I got this for myself. A little, oh man, focus camera. Focus camera! A little black multi-tool, super multi-tool, even with a little flashlight on the end. Bling! For myself, I got one for Fizz, because his STI is World Rally Blue. So I'm like, you know what? I know he wanted one of these too, so I'm like, let me get him this too. Boom. That'll be for him. And then also I got one more thing. Love is what makes a Subaru a Subaru. So we had to get the little heart. I wish my camera would focus on these small things better. There we go. It looks better in person. Like, it just looks weird on camera because the camera won't focus on it because it's all shiny. But it's a really nice keychain. Really solid. I liked it. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get this. Damn, boys! We actually had some good luck right now. Okay. Something I didn't mention. When I was fixing the fuel leak, I was ripping everything apart, right? And I was like, when I was ripping everything apart, I noticed something. Well, me and Taco pointed out, but I'd seen it. My AC belt was like this fucking thin. Like, it was chicken wire, basically. And I was like, what the fuck? And I was looking at it closer, and I pulled the AC belt tensioner off, and I saw what happened. The bolt that tensions the belt itself on the pulley decided it wanted to snap off. So yeah, there went that. I was like, you know what? On my way home, I passed by an O'Reilly's. I was like, let me just, I know AutoZone didn't have it. I'm like, let me just check O'Reilly's since I'm fucking here. I was literally there. I just pulled into the parking lot real quick. They had it. They had it. Let me show you what snapped. Hold up. Okay. This little thing right here, this tensioner itself, that's what snapped off. The Subaru one's, honestly, the stock Subaru one's a piece of shit. It's known for snapping, and mine finally snapped. So, I got that. It was like $17. And obviously got a replacement belt because mine's a piece of chicken strip, which I'll probably show you guys. And I'm gonna have AC again, even though I don't need it because it's actually raining in California. Look, it's raining in California. It's only supposed to rain until tomorrow. Today's Wednesday, so it's only supposed to rain until Thursday. And then, yeah, it didn't rain yesterday. It rained at night. It rained yesterday night. Rain today almost all day, and then tomorrow it's gonna rain. Friday clear, Saturday clear, Sunday clear, and yeah, no more rain after that. It's one of those weird 2-3 day fucking rain spans in California.